How to fix a Snapchat support code ss07 issue. So if you are facing this issue on your device, then you have to follow all the steps in order to fix this issue. First thing first, you have to tap and hold the Snapchat application. Then on the section, you need to tap on I like button. This will open the app info section of Snapchat where you have to tap on Start as users, and if there is any cache, just tap on Clear Cache and clear all the cache of Snapchat. Come back from the section and tap on Permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission on Snapchat, that is camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, and photos and videos. Once you have done that, come back from this page again and tap on Manage Notifications. Make sure you have allowed all the notifications from Snapchat, and you need to allow ringtone as well as vibrate. Come back from the section again, and the next thing you need to do is you need to check whether there's an update from Snapchat or not. Open Play Store if you are on Android, and if you are using iOS device, then open the App Store, and on the search bar you need to type in Snapchat and search for this application's update. So as you can see, there is update button. So might be due to this region we are having fix, or we are having Snapchat support code ss07 issue. So let's tap on update button and update our Snapchat. Once you have updated to the latest version, then your issues and glitches and all other bugs might be fixed. If that doesn't help you, then the last option you need to do is you need to tap and hold the application and tap on the trash icon or the delete icon and tap on uninstall and reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. Following this, all the steps will fix the Snapchat support code ss07 issue. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.